Hi, this is Eldar, and in this video we're going to talk about backlinks and how they are helpful for your page SEO. So there is off-page and on-page search engine optimization, and when it comes to off-page SEO, building backlinks is one of the most important things we can do. And if you don't know what backlinks are, these are basically the links to your website placed on some other authoritative and popular websites. And it will not only drive more traffic to your website, but it will also give you more authority. So when Google sees that the link to your website is placed on the very respectable and a web page with high traffic, it will make sure that it will rank your website higher as well. So the basic principle behind building backlinks is pretty simple. You just place the links on other websites and they give you more traffic and more authority. But keep in mind that places like social media or forums or like comment sections of other websites, they will give you traffic, which is very welcome, but they will not give you the same amount of authority as the website of some popular bloggers or some authoritative and some very big companies. They will give you much more than that. There are a few methods we can build backlinks, and I'm not going to tell you all of them, and instead I will list a couple of useful articles in the description to this video which you can read in detail. But the main few methods to building backlinks are, first of all, guest blogging is one of the most important, one of the most popular ones. So basically what it does is when you provide the valuable content to some popular blog, for example, and of course the content should be related to the topic of this blog, otherwise it's not useful for both you and for this owner of this blog, of this website. And the exchange for the content, you get the link to your website. And another possible method is to create infographics, and it is basically the beautiful images. This some kind of statistics, some kind of research you should do and create the beautiful package which you can offer to these websites, and for an exchange, of course, you get the link to your website. And another method is to analyze your competitors and see what websites have the links to your competitors' websites. And you can create the better version of the content, some beautiful infographic or some valuable content, and offer the owners of these websites, and they can also place the backlink to your website. So there are a lot of other methods you can use, and I will leave a couple of articles in the description to this video, and you can go through all of them and start building backlinks, because it is very important for our off-page SEO. So that's it for this video, and I will talk to you in the next one.